This video is going to be about how we find the area of compound shapes when triangles are included. So a bit of a reminder first, how we find the area of a triangle. So to find the area of a triangle, we do the base times by the perpendicular height, and remember perpendicular means at right angles to 90 degrees. So the perpendicular height is at 90 degrees to the base, and you can see I've drawn the right angle in there. And then we halve that. So the base times by the perpendicular height, and then we halve that answer. So that's going to be 30 divided by 2, which will be 15 centimetres squared. In this second question, make sure you're not caught out by this 13 metres. It's there to put you off. You can see here that the perpendicular height of the triangle is 12 metres. So in this question, we do the base, 7, times by the perpendicular height, 12, and then we halve our answer. So 7 times 12, well, if you're struggling with that in your head, do 7 times 10, which is 70, and 7 times 2, which is 14. Add those together, you get 84. So 84 divided by 2 is going to be 42, and this time it's going to be metres squared. So moving on to the compound shapes, here you can see quite an odd looking shape. It's actually a trapezium, but we're going to break it down today into a triangle and a rectangle. So hopefully you can see here that I can draw a line down there and create a triangle and a rectangle. Now we can work out the area of the rectangle in a quite straightforward way if you think about the last video. So that's just going to be 6 metres times 6 metres. So the area of that will be 6 times 6, which is 36 metres squared. Then we've got this triangle. We know its perpendicular height, which is 6 metres, but we don't know the length of its base. But we can work it out, because the whole length here of the shape is 10 metres, and it's 6 metres from here to here, which must mean that this bit here is 4 metres. So to find the area of my triangle there, I'm going to do its base times by the perpendicular height, and then I'm going to halve that answer. So that'll be 24 divided by 2, which is 12 metres squared. So in total, I've got the total area of the shape is the rectangle, the area of the rectangle, add the area of the triangle. So 36 add 12, which is 48 metres squared. So here are the questions for you to do. I'd like you to find the area of this compound shape, and then find the area of this compound shape.